In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material animation. This is a 100 frame long animation, and it's looping. I'm using Eevee with a random environment HDRI image. I have only lowered the roughness value, and used the node editor to animate the material. Here are the full nodes. The mapping node's rotation is where things get animated, and only the rotation, X, is being animated. Please make sure frame 1's, X, is set to 0, and 100's, X, is set to 359. We can certainly animate other axes as well. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. If we use the linear extrapolation mode, the slowness issue in the beginning and the end of the animation will no longer occur. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.